Lantu Auto's flagship sedan, the Lantu Light Chasing L, was officially unveiled on September 26 and is available for pre-order. Pre-order benefits include lifetime free basic maintenance for the first owner. Positioned as a medium-sized sedan, the Lantu Light Chaser L exudes luxury and elegance. Measuring over 5.1 meters in length, the vehicle features Huawei's comprehensive smart technology suite, including the Huawei Qiankun Intelligent Driving Assistance System, ADS-4, and Hongmeng Smart Cockpit 5. Its new Kunpeng Spreading Wings, front fascia, a freestanding LCD instrument cluster, a 16.1-inch 3K floating central control display, and the Hongmeng Smart Cockpit 5.1 system. Its dimensions are 5125 by 1985 by 1522, 1505 mm, and the wheelbase is 3010 mm. Compared to the Lantu Light Chaser, the Lantu Light Chaser L is 40 mm longer and has a 10 mm longer wheelbase. Its slim body features concealed door handles and large diamond rims. Optional two-tone exterior styling and gold grille options enhance the vehicle's luxurious feel. In terms of powertrain, it's built on an 800V full-range high-voltage hybrid architecture and equipped with a plug-in hybrid system. It features a 1.5T engine and dual electric motors, generating a maximum power output of 110 kilowatts for the engine and 150/230 kW for the electric motors. It also comes with a 63 kWh ternary lithium-ion battery pack and supports 5C supercharging. CLTC pure electric range is up to 410 km, while WLTC fuel consumption is 5.67 L/100 km. Chassis-wise, all vehicles come standard with all-wheel drive, independent steering, double wishbones at the front, a 5-link aluminum chassis at the rear, and clever Magic Carpet air suspension, ensuring stable handling and a premium experience.